I just made a pizza that people can eat. Fun fact about me. Ndinogona kutaura Shona. Asandi zivima Zimbabwe nakavanda vanogara ku London. Saka pandinotaura Shona ndendiri kumba ndiri ndega. That's quite sad.
Hello, darkness.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. Today is going to be a bit of a different video because I have decided to team up with Eric and Sarah. They are the Clueless Vegans here on YouTube and we are going to be doing a recipe swap. They are going to be trying out my best vegan burger and I am going to be recreating one of their pizzas from scratch. We all know what happens when I make things from scratch.
There's no way!
This out of the way?
As quick as possible.
Okay.
No. Before we start off this video, I just wanted to say that I don't have all the ingredients because it was supposed to be a tempeh pizza, but I went to 3 different stores and I could not find any tempeh anywhere. Where is the tempeh the people want to know? So I decided to opt for this no chicken chunks from M&S and I'm just going to be using that instead. All right, let's get cooking. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my no chicken chunks. I am going to make a little marinade. Soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, sriracha, maybe a little bit more soy sauce. I'm going to close it up. Now that that is done, I'm going to set that to the side and then we can start making the base of our pizza. Cup of flour, salt, garlic, Italian herbs. This is active yeast, so you don't need to put it in water beforehand. Now I've gathered my dough into a bowl. I need to put this aside for 15 minutes. I think it's for it to rise. While I'm waiting for the dough, I'm just gonna give it a little bit longer because I can see, even though the video said leave it for 15 minutes, it hasn't risen by that much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fry off the soy chunks. I have a mixture, olive oil, garlic, and a little bit of chili paste. And I'm gonna put that in there as well, just to help give those soy chunks a bit more flavor. Okay, so it's risen a little bit, which is good news. Oh, that's really sticky.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right, I was supposed to, if I read the instructions carefully, half a teaspoon of olive oil onto the dough to help. Oh, yeah, see? That makes it easier.
I am the one, the way you're
I don't want to make it too thin. I know that you're supposed to have the edges thicker. Sarah made it look so easy in her video. She was just like, bam, job done. The same little mixture of garlic and chili paste and olive oil. I'm just going to take that oil and brush the edges. I am just using a tomato and chili pasta sauce. In the Clueless Vegans video, Sarah finally chopped some garlic. I've got garlic paste because I'm just a lazy piece of rubbish.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
And she spread that out. I'm just going to swirl it in. And I think for me, the problem that I have with a lot of vegan pizzas is that they don't put on enough cheese. Some of you may be thinking, V, that's too much. Never too much. So then we put on our spinach. So that is our pizza done. I think it looks pretty legit. I'm quite excited and the dough smells really, really delicious. The pizza's come out the oven. I've let it cool down for a little bit. It smells so good. Just looking at the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, but one of the ways that you can tell your pizza is done is by checking the base. And because the base is nicely browned off, that's how I know that the pizza is cooked through. I thought I was recording, but I actually wasn't. So I'm cutting into the pizza, and it's got that crunch from the base. Ah, that looks wicked. Oh, I'm so nervous to try it. Time for the taste test.
The prophecy is true.
That tastes like a legit pizza. What?
I've been in the kitchen.
I literally just made a pizza from scratch.
Whipping. I've been chefing.
What? It's that easy. It's so light and fluffy, like you can see all the pockets of air. Wow. Time for the final thoughts. I'm so impressed with myself. I genuinely did not think that was going to be successful. I mean, it looked easy, but like halfway through, once I started assembling the pizza, I wasn't as confident as I was in the beginning, but it came out so good and it was so easy to make. I'm genuinely like in amazement. Like, am I a chef? I think so.
IJN, I'm just saying.
The crust tasted absolutely delicious, and I think this is what a lot of pizza places are missing. They need to be adding some spices into their actual dough. That chili oil that I put around the edge really helped give a little bit of extra flavor, and the Italian herbs that I mixed in with the dough just made it smell so amazing. And then when you add that on with the cheese that I had, but I've tried this for the first time today, and I think this was the perfect cheese. It was quite difficult to try and find mozzarella. I couldn't find any, so I just had to opt for this one, which I've never tried before. But it's the Cocoa Deliciously Mellow Dairy-Free Alternative. And I think it's made from coconuts. The main ingredient of this is coconut oil. It tastes delicious and it melted quite well actually. I was so scared that the ingredients would seep through the base that I wanted to keep it a bit thick, but I think when I make it next time, I'm definitely going to spread that base a little bit thinner. And let's not forget the soy chunks that I put on the top of the pizza. With that marinade and that soy sauce, sriracha and apple cider vinegar, never would have paired those three together, but it really helped give that little boost of flavor which just elevated the pizza. I'm so impressed with myself. For someone who's never made a pizza from scratch before, I think I did a really good job. A really good job. That pizza tasted so delicious. And all I'm gonna say is, there's only one slice left, so that tells you everything you need to know. As soon as this video is over, trust me, I'm not even gonna wait until the video's over. Now I'm officially done with the pizza. That was delicious. Oh, I can't stress that enough. Here's a short little clip of what the Clueless Vegans thought of my burger.
I want to keep eating, but I also don't because then I know it will end.
That's the only bad part about this burger is it eventually goes away.
So now that this video is done, please don't forget to head over to the Clueless Vegans YouTube channel. I will be linking them in the description below, and I'll also be linking the recipe where they originally got the pizza from and the video where Sarah made that pizza as well. It's so good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button for this international collaboration. They are all the way in Ohio and I'm all the way in London.
Mr. Worldwide!
And we're still cooking up some awesome vegan food. Remember to always be kind because you never know someone's struggle. I'll see you guys in my next video on Sunday. Bye!